Hey, I need my chime changed in key sheets. Can you do that for me?
Okay. We're good.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hey Karen, where are the trades checks? The guys are coming. They're already at some at the door. They're calling. They're blowing up my phone. I need to know where the checks are.
They're on Gordon's desk as usual.
Hey Karen, I need the Matterport fixed.
Where is it? Just bring it to me.
Hey Karen, I need a mouse for my laptop.
Just use your Amex.
Hey Karen, I don't see my estimates on my sales report.
Do you have any estimates?
I'm pretty sure I do. I'm pretty sure I thought I put them in there.
Let's work on it together.
Hey Karen, here's the check signed by the customer.
You're the best. I love you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Karen, where do I get more Paul Davis shirts?
Millie.
Hey Karen, good morning. How you doing? I forgot to clock in this morning. Can you please fix mine?
Done.
Hey Karen, can I get a key to the office?
Sure, just sign the key log.
Hey Karen, can I talk to you for a minute?
Okay, Josh. I can't type.
And then phone.